how to log in into account on Spine HR. So if you were to log in or sign into your account on your Spine HR, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're on the browser, now you need to go with the search, and under search, you need to search for Spine HR login, and then go with the first search, which is Spine HR, and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with the login option. So here you will have the login option. Simply click on login, and once you click on login, now you need to enter your company name. And once you enter the company name, you need to log in as a user. You can simply choose user, and then you need to enter your username. For example, I'll be entering something as a username, and then you need to enter your password. So enter your password. Once you enter your password, you can go with login and you'll be logged into your Spine HR account. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go with forgot password. And if you click on the forgot password option, then it will take you to the reset or recover page, from where you need to enter your username and then click on retry password, and you'll be able to reset or recover your password. So enter your information and then click on login, and you'll be logged into your account. And that's it. That's how you can log into your account on Spine HR. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.